Hey guys, it's Rick here, and I'm doing another remake video actually. This is my Lakewood S-23 Box Fan. The original video I thought was just kind of blurry and just not real good quality, and I've since cleaned up this fan a lot more than when I had first gotten it, so figured I'd put an updated video up so you can see how it is now. This is a real nice box fan. I've had it for I think since the spring of 2012, and it's been down here in my basement here at my parents' house. It's a nice runner. You can see it's got the three metal blades. Very classic Lakewood design. You can see the Macmillan motor in there. This is the earlier version of that motor, kind of the bulkier version. And it's a little beat up, as you can see. There's some rust spots here and there, and some slats broken out on the bottom of the front cage there. Then there's also toward the bottom on both sides actually there's some kind of whitish rusty color. Based on what it looks like, I think this was probably painted over white where it was rusted out, like they took a white paintbrush and just painted over it, and even that's started to rust over. The other side has that too. In fact, actually there's more on this side. I get the impression this fan was probably in a flood at one time, or was sitting in a few inches of water for a while, as the whole bottom is pretty rusty, and then the top is really not that much. So, but it doesn't seem to have any effect on its performance. It still runs just fine, no problems. Yeah, I think this is from the early 70s. I think someone said 1971 roughly, so somewhere around there. So definitely an earlier Lakewood. And you can see it's got that old time Lakewood logo there, which is really cool. It's kind of like instead of a couple cage slats there, they put it in there, which is really neat design. And it's the pointy corners type, nice square box fan. And it's still got the original handle too. And there's the speed switch. It's a lot smaller than the later Lakewoods were. It's a little smaller handle, I mean. But not. And then here's the back side. This cage is also pretty clean now that I've cleaned it up. There's some slats broken on this one too, but nothing too major. It's pretty common with these. And then I know it's upside down, but you can see the Macmillan motor there. Still got the original cord. Alright, I will go ahead and run through the speeds. So I'll start with high speed. Yeah, really pretty powerful fan. It's kind of got like that helicopter metal blade sound. Alright, medium. Alright, and low speed. I really like the low speed on this one. It's nice and quiet, still pushing a lot of air, I think. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but in real life you could almost see the blades spinning, like the individual blades. It goes slow enough, you could almost see that. Yeah, this fan was it was a little bit stiff when I first got it. Like, you know, the motor just, you know, it would run, but it just kind of was sluggish. But I've oiled it several times since then, and it's, you know, nice and smooth now. I think the low speed was even more sluggish when I first got it, but now it's pretty much where it's supposed to be, I think. Okay, and I'll turn it back off. Has a nice long spin down time too. Blades are pretty heavy. Yeah, this is a really a tank of a box fan. It's really well made, I think. Really like the avocado green finish on it too. Very 70s looking. Yeah, I think a lot of Lakewood metal box fans usually have a pretty long spin down time. Well, it's well lubricated. Okay, so there you have it. Thanks for watching, and there'll be more videos to come. Bye-bye.